Now we are discussing fundamental trigonometric functions or trigonometric ratios. The term ratio gives you the comparison of two quantities having same units. Okay, that quantities also similar quantities. Suppose here triangle measure. No, triangle measure is nothing but a, first in your mind you are getting a triangle. Okay, here how many sides are there? 3 sides are there. Suppose these sides denoted by one side denoted by x, another side denoted by y, one more side you denoted by r. So these are the 3 sides lengths. Now I am asking you, how many possible ratios formed from this? How many possible ratios formed from this? How many ratios possible? Observe, by using these 3 sides, by using lengths of these 3 sides, how many ratios are possible? Ratio is nothing but a division. Okay, comparison of two quantities by division, and that units must be same and that quantities also must be same. Similar quantities is nothing but a, it is a distance. These 3 also must be distances. So these are the distances only, no? Sides lengths is nothing but a distances only, no? So what are the possible sides ratios? One is y by x. 6 ratios we get it, y by x and y by r. See, y by x, x by y, y by r, r by y, x by r, r by x. Than this, any other ratio, is it possible? There is no other possibilities. Yes, there is no other possibilities. There is no other possibility. Only 6 possibilities are there. For these 6 possibilities, they are giving some names. వీటికి ఏంటంటే కొన్ని నేమ్స్ ఇచ్చారు. ఓకే, ఈ రేషియోకి ఒక నేమ్, ఈ రేషియోకి ఈ రేషియో. సో గివింగ్ ఫర్ ఈచ్ రేషియో స్పెసిఫిక్ నేమ్. దట్ నేమ్ వీఆర్ డిస్కసింగ్ నౌ. ఓకే, దట్ నేమ్ ఆల్సో దే ఆర్ కంపేరింగ్ విత్ యాంగిల్. సో if suppose I am taking an angle here, theta, this is the side opposite to the theta and this is the side adjacent to the theta. The side which is opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse. This is adjacent side. This is the side opposite to the angle theta. No? So that's why this is opposite side of theta, adjacent side of theta, and it is a hypotenuse. Now what is this ratio tells you? This ratio tells you opposite side of theta by adjacent side of theta. Okay, for that they gave one name. Okay, now opposite side of theta by adjacent side of theta is called tangent of an angle theta. What we call it? Tangent of an angle theta. Tangent of an angle theta is equal to opposite side of theta by adjacent side of theta. So this they called as a tangent of an angle theta. Angle theta is a is denoted by tan. It is the shortcut of tangent of an angle theta is denoted by tan theta. Okay, here I am writing theta and here I am writing tan. So you are getting now tan into theta, tan theta. Yes or no? Shall we write like this? I am writing tan into theta. Tan into theta, what is it? Tan theta hai kada? It is a meaningless and senseless. Here tan means, suppose you have some definition in your dictionary. So that is possible, but it is not a trigonometry. Without an angle there is no ratio. Tan or cot. When we are giving the angle, that means when we are giving the angle, then only it is meaningless. It is meaning. Otherwise it's meaningless. So tan theta is not equal to tan into theta. This entire value indicates one term. Shouldn't separate it. ఇలా సెపరేట్ చేయడానికి లేదు. సో tan theta is meaningful. Tan into theta is there is no meaning, and only tan also there is no meaning. in T ratios. Okay, tan theta is nothing but a tangent of an angle theta is denoted by tan theta, and its value is y by x. Y by x we call like this. This ratio we call like this. This ratio we call like this. Okay, and y by r. Y by r means y is nothing but a opposite side of theta. Opposite side of theta by r means hypotenuse. That you called as a sine of an angle theta. Sine, S-I-N-E, sine of an angle theta. Sine of an angle theta is equal to opposite side of theta by hypotenuse. Sine of an angle theta is denoted by sine theta. Gives names like that. Okay, and again here you observe it is the adjacent side of theta and it is hypotenuse. The ratio of adjacent side of theta and hypotenuse is denoted by cosine theta. It is sine theta, it is cosine, means add CO, C-O-S-I-N-E, cosine. Cosine of an angle theta. Cosine of an angle theta is denoted by cos theta. What is cos theta formula? Cos theta formula is adjacent side of theta by hypotenuse. Now here you observe x by y. X by y is nothing but a, this is, x is nothing but a adjacent side of theta, y is nothing but a opposite side of theta. So this ratio is called cotangent of an angle theta. It is tangent of an angle theta. It is cotangent. Cotangent of an angle theta is denoted by cot theta. And here this is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse by opposite side. It is defined as cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is denoted by CSC theta, like that. Like this, ORR cosec theta. Like that also we can denote it. It is the smart denotation. It is r by y. And r by x is nothing but a hypotenuse by adjacent side, that you called as secant theta. So these are called T ratios, trigonometric ratios or trigonometric functions. Okay, so tan theta y by x, sin theta y by r, cos theta x by r, cot theta x by y, cosec theta r by y, sec theta r by x. Okay, are always defined. Observe here, it is a adjacent side, it is adjacent side, it is opposite side. Okay, y by x, is it possible to 0? ఇది 0 అయ్యే అవకాశం ఉందా? ఓకే, లిసన్ ఫస్ట్. ఈజ్ ఇట్ 0? ఇది 0 అయ్యే అవకాశం ఉందా? నో సార్. ఓకే, నానా, now we are defining these all T ratios of a right angle triangle, and standard angles we are discussing up to 90 only, because in a right angle triangle the maximum angle is 90 degrees only. The maximum angle is 90 degrees only. Here tan theta, sin theta, cos theta, is there any restrictions are there for this theta? We will discuss. It is a just fundamental. This is by using a right angle triangle we did this. It is a just fundamental. అంటే మనం ఏం చేసామంటే ఇక్కడ రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ యూజ్ చేసి చెప్పాం. ఒకవేళ theta value 270 degrees అయితే now tan 270 degrees, how to find out it? If suppose theta value you are taking 120 degrees, how can we show that 120 degrees in it? There is no possibility to show 120 degrees here. But can we take theta value 120? Is it possible to take theta value 120? Is it possible to take 360 degrees? Is it possible to take 378 degrees? Yes, it has possibility, but this right angle triangle we are using for only angles which are less than 90 degrees. Okay na, చిన్న పిల్లలకి నేర్పే క్లాస్ ఇది. ఓకే, So these are the definitions. It is the one definition. Then one more definition we will discuss now. Get ready. By using coordinate geometry. By using coordinate geometry only, trigonometry is dead easy. ఎందుకంటే రేంజ్, డొమైన్, దట్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఆల్ వీ విల్ డిస్కస్ బై యూజింగ్ ఇట్ వెరీ ఈజీలీ. ఓకేనా? మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే కోఆర్డినేట్ జామెట్రీ యూజ్ చేసేసి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తే చాలా ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. జస్ట్ ఏంటంటే రేషియో అంటే ఏంటో మీరు తెలుసుకోవాలి కాబట్టి ఇది చెప్పా. ఓకే, హియర్ ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ టేకింగ్ 0. హియర్ యువర్ ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ 0, then definitely it is undefined. So that's why here x should not take 0. Here x value should not take 0. X value can be 0, but x value should not take 0. Denominator లో 0 ఉంటే ఏమవుతుంది? That value does not exist. Here r value, r never be negative. R never be negative, never be 0. R is the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle, R value shouldn't take 0. అంటే R value 0 కాదు అసలు. ఓకే, సో దట్స్ వై హియర్ R is based on x and y. X, y both never be 0 at a time. So that's why R never be 0. That's why here no restrictions. Here also no restrictions. Here y should not take 0. Y should not take 0. Here also y should not take 0. Here x should not take 0. ఓకేనా? ఇది మీకు రీచ్ అవ్వాలంటే కోఆర్డినేట్ జామెట్రీలో బాగా రీచ్ అవుతుంది. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ నువ్వు రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ చూసేటప్పుడు ఎక్స్ నెవర్ బి 0 అనుకుంటాం మనం. ఎస్, ఎక్స్ కెన్ బి 0. ఎందుకు ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ 0 అవుతుంది అంటే, హియర్ ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ ఎందుకు 0 అవుతుంది చెప్పండి నాకు. ఎందుకు 0 అవుతుందంటే సి వచ్చి బీని కోయిన్సైడ్ అయ్యింది అనుకోండి, ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ 0 అవుతుంది. ఏ వచ్చి బీని కోయిన్సైడ్ అయ్యింది అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? వై వాల్యూ 0 అవుతుంది. ఓకే, అది కోఆర్డినేట్ జామెట్రీ యూజ్ చేసి చెప్దాం.